Well, hello. Today we are going to show you how to build a campfire. Besides photography, we love camping, and my husband is really good at building campfires. So the first thing you always start with is some really good kindling. And some dry, crunchy leaves. That's always a good way to start also. Now he's going to add a few more sticks to the top. But now he's going to show you the old-fashioned way on how to start the fire. By rubbing two sticks together. So hang on and let's see how that works.
Tell me.
Aren't you supposed to do that near the fire?
Are you talking over my video? See?
And just like that, we have a flame. Alright, that's not really how it happened. This is how it actually happened. Yes, we use a torch. When I have to build a fire, this torch is the handiest tool. I never leave home without it when it comes to building a campfire. Happy camping this year. I hope to see you next time on Adventures Outdoors.